Alright, I'm Sean Cunningham and I'm going over the bench grinder. So, general safety, always wear your safety glasses. If you have long sleeves when you're using this, make sure to roll them up so it doesn't get caught in the wheel. Also, don't wear safety gloves so your finger doesn't get caught in, or the gloves don't get caught in the wheel also. Before starting, always make sure that the tool rest is as close to the wheel as possible so you can spin it to make sure it doesn't hit. You can use a 5/8 wrench to adjust those bolts right there. And also make sure this is at least 1/4 of an inch close to it. You can adjust that as you go because the wheel's going to get worn down. Also, make sure the wheel's not cracked or anything before you use it, and make sure it's in good shape. And make sure that guard's in front of you so you don't get anything in your face. And here, I guess I'll show you how to use this. Always stand by the machine the entire time until it shuts off to make sure to stand by it so other people don't use it when it's still running. Once that's done, I'll show you how to use this stone dresser to make sure. Let me think. Other things. Okay, so I'll show you how to use this stone dresser. Make sure to go slow when you're using it. Keep your hands away from the wheel, of course. Okay, so also when you're using a tool or cutting or grinding, to make sure you're not going to the side of the blade so it doesn't crack it. Make sure to stay near the center. Back to using this tool. This tool helps it shape better, or helps it reshape so it doesn't get cracked or anything like that. That's about all I got.